Hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. In this video, I am going to explain chapter 9 of 9th class, that is statistics. Exercise 9.1, first question I am going to explain. Okay. Now first question is, first I will read the question. Write the marks wise frequencies in the following frequency distribution table. Okay. Marks and a number of students are given. This is the question. Okay, we should write the frequency distribution table. Okay, frequency distribution table it will write. See, marks and number of students pending. So now this answer I am writing. Here marks we should write down, and here tally marks. Okay. Here frequency distribution tables we need to write now. So here second one we should write that tally marks, and here number of students. Here number of students. Number of students. Now marks. First one is up to 5. So up to 5, how many? 5. Okay. Number of students, how many? 5. So tally marks we should write 5. So tally marks we should write group of 5 lines. Group of 5 lines. Okay. This is 5. So number of students 5. Okay. Next up to 6. Up to 6. So up to 6, 11. 11 students are there. So group of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 means group of 5. So group of 5. Next here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now here 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. Next here you should write number of students 11. Next up to 7. Up to 7. Up to 7, 19 students are there. So we should write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So number of students 19. So up to 8. Up to 8. Here up to 8, 40 are there, right? So 31. Up to 8, 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay. So number of students 31. Next up to 9, 40. Up to 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. These are 40. Next marks up to 10. Up to 10 only 45. So one more, as it is these lines as it is, these lines as it is, you can here up to 40, no, one more it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here up to here 40, this is plus 5, so 45. Number of students 45. So if I will write, it will take time, so that's what I mentioned like this. Okay, this lines as it is here you can write, and at last 5 more. Okay, so 40 plus 5, 45 it will come. This is how to write the frequency distribution table for a given marks and number of students. Okay, next question. See, next question is given. The blood groups of 36 students of 9th class are recorded as follows. Okay, blood groups, 36 students of 9th class blood groups are given. Okay, repeated times given. So based on that, now represent the data in the form of frequency distribution table, which is the most common and which is the nearest blood group among these students. Also we need to find out. So that is the question is lengthy, so I am unable to write on the board. Just I will read. So here, second question. So we should represent the data in the form of frequency distribution table like previous only. So here we should write a blood group and a frequency. Blood group and a frequency. So blood groups, actually human beings have 4 types of blood groups. Okay. Few having blood group A, few are having blood group B, and few are having blood group O, and few are having blood group AB. Okay. So now here we have 4 types of blood groups: A, B, O, AB. Okay. Now repeated times given in the question. So how many times A repeated, that we can count and we can write in the place of A. Okay, A how many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, like this will give repeated times, repeated number of times A, B, O, and like this given. So we should count, means A will come 10 times. So 10 times. B will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times B will be. Next 2 more repeated 15 times. AB repeated only 2 times. Okay. Now like this we should write the table, and we should write in a frequency distribution table, no? If you write the tally marks, you can write, otherwise leave it like this, frequency distribution table. Okay. Now here one more question is also given. Most common and which is the rarest blood group? Most common blood group is what? Okay. Most common blood group is what it is asking. So most common blood group is O, and rare blood group is AB. Okay. So most common blood group. Most common blood group O, and rare blood group. Rarest blood group. Rarest blood group is AB. This is the rare blood group AB. Okay. Like this we should write the answer for the second question. Next, third question. Third question. 3 coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously. Each time the number of heads occurring was noted down as follows. Prepare a frequency distribution table for the given data. We should prepare the frequency distribution table for a given data. Same like this only. Here coins, 3 coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously. Simultaneously means at a time. Okay, all 3 coins tossed at a time. So third answer. Third answer. 3 coins were tossed. 1, 2, 3 numbers. Coin numbers are given. See in the question. Coin numbers are given 1, 2, 3. So one coin, how many times it is repeated? Second coin, how many times? Third coins, or how many times it is repeated? We should count and we should write the frequency distribution table. Okay, very simple, no? So here number of heads and frequency. head. Here each time the number of heads occurring was noted down as follows. Number of heads we should write and frequency. So number of heads, here frequency. Number of heads and frequency. Here number of heads, how many times it is repeated we should count. Here number of heads, suppose 0, 1, 2, 3 if you take points 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 means no heads. Okay. So here 3 times are there. 3 times. 0 3 times is there. So 3. 1. 1 how many times we should count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. One more. Okay. 10. Second point, number of heads 10 times. And third coin, number of heads 7 times. Okay. Just we should count the how many times it is repeated, and that is the possibility of head occurring. Okay. This is the frequency distribution table for a given data. Okay. Very easy only, no, these questions. So dear students, don't waste the time in the holidays. Just to daily, at least 1 hour you should spend for the maths for you can prepare for next academic year, whatever you are going to class, whether you are going to 6th or 7th, 8th, 9th. So you can watch the videos and you can prepare maths. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.